Hey, I wanted this to be a quick unboxing and a quick look here at the brand new Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. As you may know, I've done many videos on the A7, so I'm very excited for this. I believe this came out on the 14th of January, so that is, today's the 19th, so only about 5 days ago. Didn't even know it actually came out until about yesterday. This is the base version. This is, here in the US is $230. We'll come back to the tablet in just a second here. So we have your USB, the USB Type-C. Also get a charger, which not everything these days is giving you the plug-in charger there. Also have that guy to get out your SD card, your micro SD card, and of course your quick start guide. Almost felt like there's something else in there. Move that on out of the way. So this is very typical Samsung packaging here. Where it's been outside for a little bit. I got it actually from Amazon. It's a little bit cold. There is some bunch of smudges on there, as you can see, which is kind of weird. I think it's very cold right now. It's only like 20 degrees outside. So we got a back camera there. It says Samsung right here. Yeah, you can see all the. Actually, it might just be. Is that still called condensation if it's from the cold? We have our other camera right there. So we'll have power button, volume rocker, mic, 2 speakers here, USB Type-C. Sorry, just totally smacked the camera. Oh, and a headphone jack there still. That is cool. Here will be for your micro SD card. If I'm not mistaken, you can do up to 1 terabyte micro SD expansion. And then we have 2 other speakers, so it still has the quad speakers, which on the A7 were very, very good. And then mic right there as well. There we go. And here is a quick side-by-side look between the new A8 and the old A7. They basically look identical from, well, pretty much every view. The new one looks to be a little bit bigger, actually. So, and y'all can correct me if I'm wrong, as I've not done much research on this yet. I believe the A8 is now 10.5 inches, the A7 was 10.4. And you can see they're both very much fingerprint magnets. Barely touched them. But otherwise, they look pretty much identical. So, there you go. Quick unboxing and very quick look. And stay tuned. I will be doing a bunch of videos to come on the A8, including a comparison versus the A7 once it is set up and it is charged up. I will do a crazy amount of comparisons here. I will be having a A8 versus A7 versus the Amazon Fire HD 10 plus, the HD 10, as well as the Fire 8 Plus. Then also do versus the A7 Lite, maybe versus the Fire 7, and maybe versus a Samsung S7 Plus. I think I mentioned all my tablets right now. So yeah, stay tuned. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. Hope you guys have a very good one. Quickly, I just want to see if this will fit into an A7 case. And it will not, because it is, like I said, a little bit bigger. So for those who wanted to know, it will not fit into an A7 case. Thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you all have a good one. Goodbye. Stay tuned for way more vids to come.